Join me as I make this delicious and mouth-watering jollof rice. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. Without wasting your time, let's get busy. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for my jollof rice. I'll go ahead and pour them into my Ninja blender, blend them into a paste. This is what will form my stew base. In a heated pan, I added my sunflower groundnut oil for less than a minute. Then I introduced my chopped onions. Allow that to pop out its flavor. I'll stir and introduce my tomato paste. This time I'm using Derrica tomato paste. You can use any tomato paste of your choice. Then I'll go ahead and stir it together. Allow it to heat properly for 5 minutes before introducing my blended tomatoes. 5 minutes later, half tablespoon of salt, then in go my blended tomatoes. Everything into the pot. I will stir properly, then add all my spices, the spices for this my tomato stew, right? So what I'm going to do for you guys is drop in the quantity I use for this my stew in the description section so you can check them. At this point, I'm going to mix everything together. My stew, the jollof rice is ready. Wow, take a look at that color. This smells divine in my kitchen. Tell me how you prepare your jollof rice. I would love to hear yours in the comment section. Thanks for watching if you stayed up to this point, and please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next one.